This is just a quick little warning video. Why you should probably do your own oil changes, or at least don't go to Grease Monkey. Just look at all that nastiness in there. But that's not the problem. And the problem is, there's a whole section missing out of the oil filter, which causes big problems. Lots of codes on a BMW, okay? Not only that, this thing doesn't even have 3 quarts of oil, when the oil that should be in there, the amount should exceed this whole container. 6 quarts, the thing takes 7. This is all I got out of it. Not even 3. I don't even know if they changed the oil. It's disgusting. If I didn't get to this car when I did, it would have been at the junkyard. It's pretty sad. I had to get a new oil filter. Pretty disappointed. Some people can't even do an oil change. I mean, when they come with additional gaskets, you gotta think in your mind, okay, what could these possibly be for? When you put the oil filter in there, it doesn't do anything. It just kind of flops around in there. It doesn't filter shit unless it has the center protection, which is in the landfill somewhere by now, or a dumpster.